Kgothatso, I hope you know how proud I am of everything you've accomplished. Watching you pour your heart into your music, overcome challenges with unwavering resilience, and keep moving forward with such determination. It's nothing short of inspiring. The growth you've reached and the person you're becoming all speak to the strength and the beauty of your journey. Each album holds something sacred, echoes of where you've been, pieces of who you're becoming. There's honesty in your voice that disarms, that invites others to feel a little human. You made a space in your music for both ache and hope, and that's a rare balance. You're creating something genuinely meaningful, and I feel honored and grateful to be a witness to it. It's a privilege to stand beside you and cheer you on every step of the way. Your passion, your vision, and the love you pour into your music, it doesn't go unnoticed. I believe in you deeply, and I'm so excited to see where this journey leads.